Hi guys, good morning guys. Today is January 4th. It's Wednesday. As you can see guys, I am ready guys because Daisy and I we will go for a hike again or walk. So I have my hoodie here and also my backpack. Here inside of my backpack I have water and I bring plastic bag and paper towel just in case Daisy too. So yeah, and time now is 8:23. So Daisy's she keep barking because she wants to go now. See you guys later. Hey guys, we're leaving and see hubby. I asked my hubby if he wants to walk with me. He said no because his back is bothering him. Hey guys, maglakad kami Daisy dito. Instead of dyan, dito na naman. Punta doon sa may kalsada. Mingaw. May kataw-taw. Yes, we start walking 8:30. So, let's see. Limpos karsada guys. Layo-layo na rin yung nilakad namin ni Daisy. Doon yun guys, diba? I'm listening music. Say fire to the rain. When's it Daisy? Laughter. And she Daisy. This place is so nice and clean. Also silent. Yan siya guys. Kalsada na yan siya do sa maibabaw. Okay, walk all the way there. And guys, walk that way. See? Kalsada na siya guys. Here in States. The road there that's all the way to Dumpster. It's Hayden State. Yes. Maybe tomorrow me and Daisy we walk that way. We walk there. That's where we walk. You can't believe guys, it's raining right now. Oh my goodness, rain or shine, Daisy and I we're still walking. See the drop rain. Unta dili mo kusuguguan ba? Hey, good. Bring it down. Oh. This development there, that's Stone Heaven. That's is on fire. That's where we walk. All the way there. And Daisy, we're gonna turn around to the second block. So we're almost there, guys, to the second block. The rain, rain or shine, walang makapagpigil sa amin ni Daisy. Naglakad. I didn't know that it was raining today. Daisy's here. She keeps shaking. It is almost new development. Another one there. Liko kami ni Daisy dyan. Yan si Daisy. Basta't kasama kita ay gagawa. Okay guys, I have another road there. So, yeah. Liko namin ni Daisy. Remember I walked yesterday there. Yeah. Tuk. That's where we walk. Over there. Hey. Feels good for me if I walk every day. Yeah, it makes me tired. This is nothing. Yeah, come on. Kana di say dali na. Hey, there's nothing there. Go. Ayan. We're gonna turn here. So, on the way home. We're gonna stop, look both sides. Go. Go. Cambria. Go. Still raining, but luckily the rain is not that heavy. So Daisy, search your heart, search yourself. You search no more. They tell me it's not what you're looking for. That's where we walk. Nothing for. No, it's true. Everything I do it for you. Stone heaven. I cannot zoom in. Construction. Daisy. Tomorrow we walk one more time to the other side, and Friday, if dili siya muulan, ngadto mi sa park ni Daisy dito mag-walk or hike. Diha guys. Nagalakaw pud mi diha ni Daisy ug ni Nat. So yeah, we turned there. Almost. Saturday. Yeah. And step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Guys, malapit na kami ni Daisy. That's with my father again. Si Daisy. And the rain stopped. Yesterday. The sun. Guys, kitaan langgam. Ito pa. Nasa poste. Guys, malapit na kami. Daisy Pop. Have to pick up the poop. Although nalibang siya diya sa may bato guys. But I still need to pick it up because it's not right. If ang aso malibang tapos din yung punito ng tae. See, Boulder Heights. Yep. That's where we start walking. Daisy and I there. Her home. Yeah, we're home, guys. Here I stand. I'm gonna wash Daisy's feet. I will wash Daisy's feet. Anymore. Namatay na yung halaman. Oh, Daisy P. Good girl, Daisy. She poop and pee. Oh, guys, we are home. Time now is... Wait. Because we walk 8:30. So, time now is 9:30. We walk 1 hour. Daisy deserved to have a treat. Then I will wash her feet. Good girl, Chin. Alright guys, that's the end of our vlog. Bye for now guys. It's time for me to eat breakfast.